Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry. I'm always in blowers! Welcome to another episode. Today I'm gonna troubleshoot this Redmax weed trimmer that I got for free! 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 For free! For free! That's right, free. I got this from Motherload 39 from my friend Mike. It's one of the few things that I got from that load. And this is the second to last one. He mentioned something about the gas tank, that it works, and all I needed was a new gas tank, and this thing would be good to go. Because he's a landscaper, he takes off the guard to the wheel, the head, because I see most landscapers to use that. I see landscapers take off the head guard because it's easier to edge that way. And that's why this one doesn't have the guard, you know? So I'm gonna bring this to the front of the garage. We'll troubleshoot the gas tank. I don't know what's wrong with it. But we'll see if we can get this thing. Hey, nice costume. Oh.
Don't worry, your friend Henry is fine. YouTubers. I never got my fame as much as I deserved it. I died way too fast in episode 1. Anybody can fix small engines. I've always wanted my own YouTube channel. I'm gonna repair this Redmax weed trimmer, so there's nothing in the gas tank. However, I do see that it's slightly damaged right here. Looks like there's a rub or a scratch, but upon closer inspection, there's actually a cut there. It's hard to see on camera, but there is a crack where the rubbing is. Let's see if a soldering iron will be able to melt that into one piece and repair the crack. In his garage, I found a soldering kit. we're just gonna add a little bit of two-stroke oil. Oil gas mix.
Oh, Henry, nice costume.
I'm not Henry. I'm Darth Maul. Neighbors. That's enough just to see if it leaks. Ha 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 ha. These grass flip-flops are very comfortable. Hey, it's not leaking. Look. It looks good. It's not leaking. Maybe to reinforce it, we put some JB weld there after we clean this area. But the only place it's leaking from is the cap, which typically is normal for these weed trimmers. The lever here, the red lever, up is choke, down is run, has a momentary switch for on and off. That's primer. Primer feels good. Good condition. Fuel lines look good. Good condition. Let's see if it starts. Not a momentary switch. Maybe it's off. Oh, look at that. Works great. Take it off a choke. Maybe we can adjust the fuel mixture screw.
Hey Henry, you look different today.
Yeah. You look better during the day instead of that.
I'm not Henry. I'm Darth Maul. Anyway, it doesn't seem to be leaking anywhere except for maybe the grommet area. I also noticed, upon clear inspection of the carburetor, that there are no high-low fuel adjustment mixture screws. What kind of stupid humanoid device does not allow you to adjust the air-fuel mixture? Peasants. To reinforce the compromised area of the soldering welding fix, I'm gonna put a layer of JB weld over it after I clean up the area. This way, it definitely won't leak in that area. So there you go. JB welded it to make it stronger. And even upside down, we have no leaks. Fantastic. We'll let this dry, and this thing is good to go. I'm just gonna take off now. Well, I've had enough fun here on Earth. I'm gonna jet. Thanks a lot for joining us on Darth Maul's episode. We'll see you next time on Maul's Mowers and Blowers.
Bizarre. This thing didn't run before. You guys seen a red guy around here?